It's Saturday, so let's make some Chinese at home. I'm gonna make egg fried rice with chicken chili dry. I've taken 2 chicken breasts here, 1 egg, a teaspoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Mix everything. Heat up some oil in a pan and shallow fry the chicken. You can deep fry it as well. Fry the chicken in 2 batches. Flip the chicken. Chicken is done. Take it out and fry the second batch in the same way. The chicken is all done. Take some oil in the same pan. Add some sesame oil as well. Add a tablespoon of minced garlic, sliced ginger. Give it a quick stir. Add your vegetables, peppers and onion. Stir fry these on a very high heat for about 2 minutes. Some green chilies. Add the chicken. Add half teaspoon of red chili flakes, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of MSG, green onions, dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Stir fry this on very high heat for about 2 minutes. For the egg fried rice, take some oil in a wok or a pan, sesame oil as well. Add a tablespoon of garlic. Don't burn the garlic. I'm gonna add a little bit of red chili flakes. This is optional. Give it a stir. Add your vegetables. I'm gonna add chopped carrots, green onions, some green peas. Stir fry on high heat for a minute. The vegetables are fried. I'm gonna add some salt. I've added the salt while boiling the rice, so I'm adding less salt here. A little bit of MSG, some black pepper. Push the vegetables on the side. I'm gonna drop 3 eggs in here. Let these cook a little bit before you scramble them. Scramble the eggs. Keep them on the side while you scramble them. The eggs are almost scrambled. Mix them in with the vegetables and stir fry on very high heat for about a minute. Add your boiled rice. I boiled 2 cups of rice here. You can use a day old rice as well. I just don't mind using the freshly boiled rice. A teaspoon of dark soy sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Stir fry the rice on very high heat for about 5 minutes.